Welcome learners for the level 7 in Python beginner potential, right? Hope you guys are get clear with level 6. In this video, we will see the more complex problems and how to solve it with using the Python program. So let's get started with our first one. So check palindrome. First of all, you get clear with the palindrome, okay? Um, so check whether this string is a palindrome or not. So what is palindrome? A palindrome is a word or phrase or sequence that reads the same backward as forward. For example, take the word as madam, M-A-D-A-M. If you read it backward, it will be as M-A-D-A-M as well. Similarly with I, rotor, high race car, level, etc. But these are all palindromes. So, to check the palindrome, just reverse a word or the phrase and then check whether the reverse string is the same as the initial string. If both are same, it will be said to be a palindrome. Okay, this is how to solve it with Python. I'll show you. There is a simple program for check Python. So we use the shortest method to get the reverse string and then we compare using the if else. That is, the problem might sound complicated at the beginning. However, if you know the technique, the solution could become easier. So, the more you explore, the more you try, the more shortcuts you will be mastered. Okay, just focus on this program. You just get the input as string to check. Okay, this line it will be an input for this program, and this will be as a condition. If the condition is true, it is palindrome. If it is false, it is not a palindrome. Okay, let's check. I will give you with thing M-A-D-A-N. Sorry. While you hit the enter, you will get answer like this. It is palindrome. So it is giving the same thing when you wrote as a backward. M-A-D-A-M and M-A-D-A-N. If you give the other words like app, you can give the strings like apple, just gives outputs like it is not a palindrome. Okay? So you guys have this. So let's click clear on starting with the set palindrome in Python. Then we dive into the next concept with simple calculator. Okay. How to construct a simple calculator using Python? Do you have any idea with that? Don't worry, I'll show you. The only task is to create a simple calculator that will be able to take the user input of two numbers and operation the user wants to perform. Suppose I have to add two numbers, it will be. If I subtract two numbers, it will be. So in this section, I will show you how to construct this operation for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I'll give you the solution strategy. We'll create a bunch of functions to perform add, subtract, multiply, division, or modulo. Then take two numbers from the user and the operations he perform either plus sign or subtract or multiply or maybe divide. Then call the appropriate function based on the operation. Think for a few minutes and try it yourself. This is the thing. This is exact program for the calculator. Okay. Just try to read out. Just we defining the thing of addition, subtract, multiply, divide, modulo. This is not a function, okay? Then, for taking the input from the user, we will use this kind of, okay? Enter your first number, enter your second number. In between these two things, we might get the operations what the user want to do. So we will insert thing what is between these two things. Okay. So this is the exact thing what will happen in our program. So if operation is plus, then you would call the function as add with the user input number now two. It will just directly goes to this function and perform this. Okay. If I call it this thing, it will just come and perform this thing. Likewise for the multiplying divide. Okay. So let's run for how to implement. So just simply call enter the first number. I'll just give you with 3. Okay. And so you're just asking for what do you want to do. I'll give it with a multiplication. So just want my second number as 5. Okay. When I hit the enter, it will just clearly give me the answer as this thing. Okay, you may call this will simply not calculate what is well we are working with the multiple lines or multiple or a big program or maybe in big project. This might be helpful. Okay. I'll give you with the largest number like 5. Okay. What do you want to do? I want some this. Thank you. I'll add the number like 9 has the answer with okay. So the a5 function to add, I just come with a program again. Use the a5 function to add, subtract, exit. Those are easy. Then we are taking the user input, we inputs, they are also too easy. Then we have the if else and based on the operation, we will got the right method to perform the task. That's it. Okay? You guys get clear understanding. Dive into the new concept. Password generator. Here, the only problem is to generate a password. Your password may be the uppercase or lowercase or maybe the digit or some special characters, right? So, how we explain it? To select a random character from a string, you can import at random. Then use the random choice method. This will select a character from the provided string. Also, you can import string module. This is not just a string type variable. Instead, it has a lot of extra functionality. For example, you can use string.sql letters to get all the character A to Z, both in lowercase and uppercase. Similarly, you can use string.digits to get all single digits. Also, you can use string.punctuation to get all the special characters. Okay? For yourself, trying with to get string.punctuation to get all the special characters and string.digits to get all the single digits. I'll try to help you with our programming. This is our expert program for digital business. Faster. Okay. The solution is rather simple. We import the random module and the string module. Then we create a long string by joining all ASCII letters, digits, and special characters. For that, we can run a for loop. In the loop, we select a random letter from all characters to select a random character. We use random choice. Then we add the random character to the password. Okay, this is the simple program, right? Try it by yourself to get a clear understanding. Okay, while we're running this thing, we will get okay how many pass characters we have. It's just simply asking how many characters. Okay. If I want more than um go to 9 characters, then while I hit enter, it will give me the exact with about the number of characters. Okay. So if I need, yeah, sorry, if I need about my characters about to 20, then it will also give me the password with about 20 characters. Okay. Just stick with this thing. It may also help to generate a password with email or maybe, okay. This is a simple password generator during the Python. We will come to the end of the session for about a level 7 and we will also come to the end of the session with level beginner. Here, hereafter you will maybe have to meet with one assessment to get a full certification from our side.
Congratulations! You have finished watching all the beginner part of this course. Now take the quiz and earn your certificate. Happy learning!